In this video, you will learn how to convert PDF file into Excel file. Currently, you can see here, I have a PDF file and it has 4 tables. I will convert these tables into Excel file. So let's start this video. Firstly, open Google, write I love PDF. I will also provide the link in description for your convenience. Open this one. Now go to all PDF tools and here you will find plenty of options. From here go to convert from PDF and here you will find the option of PDF to Excel. Select this option. This interface will be appeared. You have two options. Either you can select PDF file manually or you can drop PDF file here. I will choose select PDF file. Select your PDF file. For example, I have a PDF file here. I will select this file. After selecting this file, simply click on open. Now you will find different options. If you have a PDF file where you can select the text, then you can easily convert this PDF file into Excel file. If you have scanned image, then you cannot convert that PDF file into Excel file. For that purpose, you have to premium version of I love PDF file. Simply remember that if you have PDF file where you can select the text, then you can easily convert that into Excel file. But if you have scanned images instead of PDF file, then you cannot convert that file. For that purpose, you should have premium version of I love PDF file. There is the option of layout. You can select either one sheet or multiple sheets. For example, I have 4 tables in this file, and if I want to convert this PDF file into Excel file where all these tables appeared on single sheet, then I will choose this option. If I am interested to convert this PDF file into Excel file where all tables appear on separate sheet, then I will choose multiple sheets. Each table will appear on separate sheet. After that, simply select this option, convert to Excel, and your PDF file will be converted to Excel file. You can see here that file is automatically downloaded. If this option did not appear, you can manually download it using this option. Now I will go to download. I will open this file. Now you can see here each table appeared on separate sheet, and we have successfully converted 4 tables. This one is the original file and this one is the converted file. So by using this option, you can easily convert PDF file into Excel file. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.